Welcome. We're back. We are back. All right, what's happening? Welcome everyone. Well, news came out. It seems like it. And what else? I had no other position taken on the Nasdaq. And I'm already using the September contract. So based on this one, so we taken the 20K. There was one opportunity to go long, but since news came out, it was a little bit scary to take a long here. Eventually I didn't take it, which was a good decision. So far we're taking out some sell side liquidity down there on the 5-minute as well. Let's see what's happening on the 15. Nothing on the 1 hour. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the bodies of the candles on the 1 hour. All the way since London session. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the past 6 hours, the bodies of the candles like almost lined up perfectly. What does that mean? I have no idea. Actually, that means that we have some strong resistance up there. Also, look at the candles from Sunday here and here. Strong resistance at the 20K level. Some strong sellers pushing it down. Again, swept some liquidity. Asia lows 930. I don't know where this one can go. And we have relative equal lows at 760-ish area. Could go down there. If it starts to fall, nothing's gonna stop it. Is this a possible market maker sell model? I don't know. Look at the 15. Shifted structure. Went back up there, repriced. Shifted lower again on the 15-minute. A new fair value gap here. Repriced the new fair value gap. Even took out some liquidity right there. And now going lower again. There was a market structure shift here on the 15-minute time frame. Which was right come on, here, bearish market structure shift right there. That could mean that we still have one more fair value gap, this one. And if I put the fib tool up to the swing high and here, that means we have an optimal trade entry on the 15-minute time frame if by some miracle we would go higher into this area. So that's the level I want to watch. A possible area up there. Let me give a different color. But it seems like we're just gonna go down. It's dropping. Anyway. I'm gonna give this one 15-minute fair value gap. Alright. Inside to the right. So that's all we see right now. Is the chat working? Hopefully, yes. All right. What else? I guess that's it. That's all we have before the market open. That's all we have. Sue Trades, good morning. It's been all right. Had an awesome London session. Well, I wouldn't say it was the best of the best, but we had some good trades. Erkan, hello again. And now, just waiting for the open. So for now, all I see is a 15-minute fair value gap up there. If we would be targeting some lows, I don't even know how far this one can go down. I do like the sell side at 821, or even down at 888. Kojak, good morning. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. Hello, Teacher FX. Welcome to the stream. Push a few likes, guys. Thank you so much. Push those likes. So that's it. That's all we have. Might as well just gonna go sideways until the open, but on ES, almost the same scenario. Had a good short earlier. I guess I was a little bit lucky. But it still feels like we're inside of a market maker sell model. Maybe, not the perfect one though. But it repriced the 1 hour, shifted here. Where can this go? It can go way down there. So I would say that, I mean, look at that. This has taken liquidity here, swept in this area. Taken, let me delete this one here. It's just confusing. So it's taken this area here, left a small fair value gap right there to continue lower. And this one is also on the 15-minute time frame. So in both cases, we have a possible entry on the 15-minute. Otherwise, that's all. That is all. London movement looked pretty clean. Yeah, it's rare to say this, but today was an exception in London. It was a clean move, yes. So London session was clean today. Yeah, it would be great to have some similarly good clean move in New York. So as I was saying, I mean, I'm looking for this one to reprice higher, both NQ and ES. I might as well just put an alert on ES. There, I've put an alert. And we'll see what happens next. So far, the entry for the 15-minute time frame looks very good, optimal. We have some good targets on Nasdaq to the downside, but that would be a huge fall from here. Looking forward to it anyway. Price would have to go above there. Maybe Yeah. Take out Asia. Yeah, 3 micros. That would be nice. Clean moves. That's what we want. That is what we want. Might as well go up there. Oh, let me put on the giveaway. Guys, just a second. I forgot to put on the new giveaway. You guys can participate if you want. All right. Let me install the new giveaway here. It's gonna start today. It's going to start. Oh, come on. It's going to start today. It's going to end next week. '24th. All right. That's good. That is good. Hold on, guys. I'm just installing this thing. We're still waiting. Just installing the giveaway here. Done. All right. So what are you guys up to? Any trades going on? Let me know. Okay. Just a second. No trade. Yeah. Yeah, we have to wait for the open. That's the smartest move. That's the smartest thing to do. Ba-dum. All right, so let me update this. All right, giveaway started, 50K evaluation account, blah, blah, blah. There. Replacing the pin message. And there you go. New giveaway should be active. Hopefully. I haven't tested it yet. But it seems like it's active. So this is the weekly giveaway. So you have time to participate. This is gonna be put on the whole week. But there you go. Just fill out the email and the name and you're gonna be on the list. We're gonna pick the winner live on stream. And that's it. Let's go. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Everything is pretty quiet. I'd like to see the retracement if this one is a sell model. into these levels. Actually, I'm gonna put an alert here as well on Nasdaq. And on the 5-minute, well, looking for order blocks too. On the 15 or the 1 hour, not much to see. Pretty much stuck here. Actually, there is an order block on the 15-minute on ES. So that means that price can definitely go way back up there into OTE to retest the 5500. I would not be surprised. If it goes up there, well, relative equal highs at 09. That would be a tough decision. Today, 200th episode of TopStep TV. Maybe there's a surprise, who knows? Who knows? I know, I mean, I don't know any information about that, but maybe they will do a fire drill. Maybe. Hopefully. J-Ho, what's up? I think we take out overnight low for the 930 move. For a possible fake move, go higher. Rest of the day, but at the moment I'm short, looking for overnight low. Yeah, I think so too. We have a very good chance for this to dive into 930. Tom, the open is in 10 minutes, right? Yes, exactly. Hello, Teacher FX, yeah. Less than 10 minutes, actually less than 9 minutes right now. So gotta be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Less than 8 minutes. And by the way, how was the news? Let me check. State Manufacturing Index. Okay. I mean, this is a good number, right? So this is a bigger number. -6 is bigger than -12, right? That should be a positive number. Am I correct? Above 0 indicates improving conditions. So conditions were improving, but not that perfectly. But still better than expected, so I guess that's something. Everyone is waiting for the open. So what can we do? This is so boring. Nothing is happening. Wet milk, hey. Who's that? I'm just yawning all over the place, man. Thanks for the compliment. Wet milk, how are you? Just waiting for this market to open and at least see a directional move, right? In the good. I mean, I would like to see a sell-off, but first, I'd like to see this one go above 960 something. That's all I'm waiting. Nothing special. You're good? Been up since midnight. Oh. Laundry, gym, cleaning. Wow. You are a robot, man. You are absolutely a robot. Don't stop, you know. You can there's an old saying, you know, we can rest in the grave. Just keep on moving, you know, never stop. Don't sleep. Go to the gym, clean up. Laundry. And by the way, it amazes me. I just did the dishes. I did the dishes. I also cleaned up. Did some stuff around the house, and boom, the whole morning is gone completely. A few hours just went away like crazy. That's what happens. So right now I'm working on my Lambo. Actually, I'm not a Lambo person, but still, I'm gonna have a Lambo in the background as well. It's coming, guys. It's coming. So. So long as it's not a Lada. The Lada is good. It's a good car. We had Lada. My first car was a Lada, by the way. My first car was a Lada 2103. That was my first car. It was a 1300 cubic centimeter. Is that a thing? Engine. With the gearbox, with 4 gears. It was like 55 horsepower or 50, something like that. But it was a great car. It was a modern car. Lada 2103. And there was the big brother of the 2103. It's called 2105. Little sedan, yeah. and if you look for the 2105, the 2105 is basically the same, but it's the bigger engine, the 1.5 liter engine. So they called it Soviet Mercedes. They called it the Soviet Mercedes for poor people. The 2105. Because the front grille was bigger than the 2103. 96 Volkswagen Jetta. Wow! Jetta Trek? Loaded cash with money I saved from delivering newspapers from Jesus Wetmill. That's awesome. That's awesome. I was working at a gas station when I was 18, and that's how I bought my Lada. I was working at the gas station, and that's how I got it. Sir McCarthy, good to see you again. Doing great. Doing great. How you doing, my friend? I always wanted to get a Volvo P800. I heard about that, the P800. Hold on, which one is that? Volvo P... Oh, hold on. The market is about to open. We're gonna get back to that P800. I think that's a very fancy car, right? Volvo P800. Oh... Yeah, that's a nice one. Jesus Christ. All right. So market is about to open. I'm curious if we're gonna get up to this area. 10 seconds and market is gonna be open for business. 3 micros. I might just take it if I have to. Late 50s, yeah. That's a nice touch. Late 50s there. Oh, look at that. We're gonna go higher. I might put a pending order at, let me see, 69 maybe. All right, pending order put at 69.25. Sell limit. Sell limit at 69.25 if it taps that level. 69.25. It's close, but still not there yet. Did not take it. All right, so there's my level for entry. Not sure if it wants to take it, but I think it should. If this one fails, it's fine. All right, I did not get tagged in. Okay, now I got tagged into the trade. I have to put a stop loss here. Jesus, I don't like this. Might have to close it early. So that's my stop loss. And my limit would be down at 36. Okay, so this is my trade. I'm going to play around with the stop loss a little bit. The entry was actually based on this fair value gap. So let's hope it plays out. I'm risking only $100 on it. I just want to see it go lower, but it was a good entry. Oh well, all right. $76 on a long, nice. Nice. Online safety, hey there. Suspicious. What is suspicious? Crypto Panda, good morning. Congrats, well, I wanted to play that. Your TOPSTEP Rhythmic still trying to open? Oh no, that's not good. I'm still in this trade. Although I don't know if I should hold it for too long, but I'm still in this. I wanted to see it take the, which level is that? The 36. Oh yeah, because this one is still on the okay. So MNQ. Okay, it's better. So let's see, is it gonna take that low or not? It's very close. The entry was fairly good, I guess. Rollover weeks always, yeah. Yeah, this is how it used to be. So let's see if this one goes down or not. Seems like it's losing strength. They might want to push it. It was looking good for a little bit. for a little while. ES recovering. That's a problem. I don't want it to recover. Closing my alert. Oh yes, it does. Dang it. Anyway. Still in the trade. Come on, just one push. There, I'm out. Out from the position. I think I deserve an applause. All right, Tom. Good. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. All right. Let me see. What was the entry? Trades. Yeah, look at that. No partials taken. Entered on the gap. On the retracement, being taken out here at the low. This was the London trades that I took. This was a good trade. 2-to-1 risk to reward, guys. So that was the beauty of it. So that was good, I think. Yeah. Oh, nice, Jacqueline. Guys, please give me the honor to give an applause to Jacqueline. 3,260. I think you're done for the day, Jacqueline. You are done for the day. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nice. By the way, that makes today 1 loss, 3 winners on the stream. Today on the stream, including London, 1 loss, 3 winners. That's a hell of a good day. We have the same target. Nice. Well, actually the key here was the entry on the 5 minutes. So optimal trade entry. That's what I meant to say. The key was the optimal trade entry on this one. And that's it. Nothing more. What is ES doing? ES swept the lows. Nothing significant. You know, this one might as well just go higher. Good morning, Slade. Hey, welcome. By the way, guys, don't forget we have a new giveaway. It's in the pinned message somewhere. You can see it up there. There's a link if you want to participate. It's gonna be for this week, so the giveaway is gonna happen next week, so you have time all week to participate. You can earn some points if you enter the application. Just have to give your email and the name, and we're gonna pick the winner on Monday or Tuesday, I think. So stay tuned, earn some points, 50K valuation. That's it. Oh, thank you, Hello Teacher FX. Thank you. It was a good trade. It was a good one. And it was a fast one. I wish every trade were like this, but we're looking for the next one, of course. I think I'm gonna do a video about this later. This entry was really great. Have the guys in Apex office gone to sleep and not showed up to work yet? I paid for a reset about 3 a.m. and while the payment has processed, neither Rhythmic or NT8 have updated yet. What the heck is going on? I don't know what's happening. Ludafish Savage. I wish I would know. I thought I was all day by bots. Yeah, I mean, that's frustrating. Dude, I wish I could help you. I wish. But they have so many tickets. I also sent them like 4 emails recently. No answer. So I think they are way behind with everything. Somebody subscribed. Who was it? Big D Johnson. Hey, welcome to the stream. Thank you for subscribing. Big D Johnson subscribed. Thank you for joining the stream. And welcome again. Probably up to their elbows in alligators with all the other problems. Oh yeah. Yeah. Could be. Sorry to hear that, but I know it's frustrating. It must be. Oh well. Seems like the move has happened. And now we're just waiting. You're short again. Looking for new lows? Alright. I don't have an entry. That's the thing. I'm checking the 15-minute too, but I don't know. This one spiked lower, so I don't like it anymore. On ES, sorry. And on NQ, well, almost the same. Well, we can go. I mean, this 15-minute candle technically went up there, and it's still bearish. So if someone entered on the 15-minute time frame, this one is still a good bearish scenario. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, we're going down. Jeho was right. As always. ES is making higher high. Well, took out the lows. It made a high here. Let me look at the 1 minute. Yeah, it made a higher high here on the 1 minute. No real structure shift though. Boom, Jeho. There you go. Taking a partial and moving stop to break even. I don't care. I'm gonna give an applause to Jeho. Come on, let's go. Let's go, J-Ho. Come on. I have some new cologne. I'm gonna use it right now. All right. Waiting to see what it does, right? I have to let some sunshine in. Let the sunshine. Let the sunshine. By the way, don't forget it. We have some good sales going on with Buleanox, the cheapest. Apex still down 71%, $35 for the resets. But the big one, I think, true cost of funding is MyFundedFutures with the expert account. Also, TopSTEP is good too. And take profit traders still, I mean, they waived goodbye to the activation fee, so no activation fee with take profit trader. Okay. Seems like we're pretty much stuck here again. I wonder for how long. How long are we stuck here? Looks like it still wants to go lower. All right. But where? Where could be a possible target for this? Oh, look at that. It started to go. Bang! And fill all out but one contract for a runner. Let's go. J-Ho is killing it, guys. I mean, I can actually vouch for that. He is calling out the levels and just printing money. Yeah. Very nice job there. We have a 3-minute continuation in structure shift to the downside. And we have a possible bullish order block with the swing low at 905. I don't know if this one wants to continue down with this 3-minute gap. Even if it does, it's a little bit risky to go down there. If I re-enter to a short, that would be a low probability target. Yeah, even the risk to reward ratio is down, so I'm not gonna take that. I am not taking that trade, but it looks like we're going down. 920 hit. That's it. There you go. Congrats, Ludafish Savage. Come on. I hope you were in the trade. Were you? If not, still, you called it out nicely. Still dropping down on the 5-minute. Seems like we should be breaking through the 906. No trade for me. Waiting to actually go down to 888. On the 15-minute, that's a swing low. Also, on the 1 hour, almost like relative equal lows, which is not, but anyway. It can still go. It can still go. ES shifted lower as well. 869, Jacqueline says. All right. And I'm checking ES too. How far can we go? I have to look at the 1 hour for some possible targets. Or is it just going to go sideways and tries to push one more? There are relative equal highs at 55.09. Is it just sweeping some liquidity on ES? And does the same on NQ as well? Sorry, I'm hovering all around, guys, but I'm checking these charts. It pretty much seems like we're still in a bullish trend. So this one could be just a sweep. At least that's what I think. If we form a 1 hour bearish breaker, we could see this be the high of the week until we see Thursday and Friday. Yeah. That could happen. That could easily happen, I agree. I agree. Still waiting. The problem is, if I would like to take this trade, let's assume I want to take this trade here on the 5 minutes. So this one closes here on Nasdaq with a gap, right? Let's assume that this is a market maker sell model based also on the 15-minute time frame as well. Then I would say the sell side target would be at 822. And if that's the case, you know, well, I would like to take I would like to see price repricing this gap, which is still not in final shape. Have to wait for this candle to close. So repricing this and maybe wicking into optimal trade entry somewhere above 39 to 42. That would be something I look for. And then I could target sell side at 822 as a possible, you know, target. But still have 1 minute to go from this. It's repricing this. Might not gonna have a gap here. Yeah, look at that. It's perfectly repricing the gap. Alright, seems like no gap. Has been repriced. The entry could be still valid on the 3-minute, but I'm not using that right now. Didn't hit the 900. Yeah, that's true. That's true, actually. So if I want to do this correctly with the 61.8 level, I would like to see price heading up to 36.25. 36.25. There. Yeah, it could be hitting the 900 level. Maybe it's hitting it right now. On the 3-minute, it's actually a fair value gap. Right there. Close your trade, yeah. Price still moving around, weave up. Yeah, that's the thing. You're scared it can reverse. Yes, that's what I'm afraid so too. It can just super easily reverse here and take out all those short positions up there. I don't like this. Although the 3-minute right here, the 3-minute chart shows beautiful entry to go short. I mean, it's already passed, but it was a very nice entry right there. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, look at that. Going back. Way above the optimal trade entry. That's what I was afraid of. I don't like this. Would be looking good for a possible short, but I don't know. Not my type of trade. What else do we have here? Still going up. Look at this. All the way up. Look at this one. Just fighting its way up there. I don't have an entry here, so. Markets trader, hey! Good day to you too. News is good but bad for a market. Yeah. Overall market structure is bullish. Yeah, overall, you're still bullish. Markets trader, I must tell you, in the recent 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm having way more fun, if not success, but still way more fun with the 5/15 minute candles. So since I stopped entering on the 1 minute, it's much less stressful. Way easier, really. I'm talking from experience. It's definitely easier to look for trades, even if not everything. Yeah, you told me. That's what I'm saying. You told us many times, but yeah, really, I mean, I'm not saying I'm not gonna trade on the 1 minute, but I had so many losses this year on the 1 minute chart that in the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I wasn't even looking at the 1 minute on the 1 minute chart, and it felt so good. I mean, less stressful. Even when it took me out, I knew that, all right, my analysis was not correct, and that's it. Move on to the next one. At least I knew. And I wasn't like second guessing myself that, okay, but you know, this is just a 1 minute, maybe it's a counter trend or something else, whatever. And on the 1 minute, it's very easy to overtrade. So you can see the big picture, yeah. So I was super easily over trading on the 1 minute and revenge trading too. So on the 5 minute and the 15 minute, I'm not saying it prevents me from over trading, but if I fail on the setup, and I mean, I usually have to wait at least another hour or who knows, something like that, for a new setup to occur. And that actually keeps me out from the market because I'm not going to search for something else like on the 1 minute. And this helps me to slow down and look for proper setups. In this case, if I wanted to, I could have entered a short on the 3 minute, but I said, no, I'm just going to stick with the 5 minute, and there's no entry for me here. So still waiting. And it's such a good feeling to know that I have no entry. It's so good. By the way, guys, if you can help me out, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 2,400 subscribers soon, so that would be super awesome to go there. So subscribe, push the like. It helps out the stream a lot. Thank you, guys. And it's free. All right. Let's see what is happening. Let's go. And if someone's new, try out the giveaway, fill out the giveaway form. We're gonna pick a winner for a 50k evaluation account. It's in the pinned message up there. Check it out, it's somewhere up in the chat. Just fill out your email and name and we're gonna pick a winner. You can earn some points too with this application. It's specialized for giveaways. You can earn some points, and we're gonna pick a winner on Monday or Tuesday, something like that. If you're not on the stream, don't worry. Your name is gonna be tweeted out, and I'm gonna send you an email about the win. And it's gonna be tweeted out. I mean, not your email, your name. Ba 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 ba. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba. If you already participated last week in the giveaway, this is a new one. So if you want to have the chance to win this one, you always have to enter for the new giveaway. Being able to being picked. Crypto Panda, what? It happened again. I entered minis. No! Dude! Dude.
What did you do?
Oh, that was Supergirl, don't worry. Don't worry, it's cool, it's cool. 3 minis made 225. I mean, I'm happy for the profit, but oh, I did not read the second part of the sentence. I was like, no. 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 Dude. At least you made some profits, but wow. That is like, oof. Look at this one go, by the way. I know because I'm shocked from the first part. Yeah, I'm gonna read the whole thing next time. That's true. I was shocked by the first part. That's true. Oh, but at least hard to catch the train on this one. Oh yeah, and that's so at least you made some profit. That's all that matters. This week I'm out of the market. My best friend. Oh, Saturday. Jesus. My mind are not the best stage. The funeral it's tomorrow. No man. Just passing here to say, dude, I'm really sorry to hear that, and I don't know what to say. My condolences. You know, especially, you know, losing your best friend. Man, I can't imagine. I don't really have too many friends, but I have one or two best friends. But thank God they're okay. But you know, man, that is very bad. Still, I mean, I don't know what to say. I think maybe best is to do something that occupies you. I don't know, not trading, but I don't know. That's very bad. I got, yeah, absolutely, Crypto Panda, absolutely. Crypto Panda, be honest anytime you wish to. All right, just be honest anytime. Or every time, sorry. Life is so fragile, so please enjoy every second. Oh yeah, life is fragile. Don't tell me about it. I was like, I mean, I know someone who passed away. A beautiful girl. She was 41 years old. Only 41 years old. And she was beautiful. And she passed away. And I met her only once. And I was so surprised that she's gone. I mean, anyway. It's unbelievable. So life is fragile. I know. I'm insulting you, Tom, like others. I am insulting you, Tom, like others. Do I just call you out on that? No. I mean, the Crypto Panda. I always tell you to be honest. Always. you can insult me anyway. You can insult me as much as you want. Yeah, it would be it would be best not to trade today, Marcus Trader. By the way, I have this favorite comedian of mine. Yeah. I know you're not, Crypto Panda. I know. Crypto Panda, you're one of my OGs. I will always respect you, whatever you say. I know, Crypto Panda, I know. You're good, whatever you do, and I know you were not. Thank you, guys. I'm going. Marcus Trader, thank you for dropping by. And hey, try to rest a little bit. You know. And all is well. Hope to see you soon. So, I have my favorite comedian of all time. I mean, he's passed away by now, but I think you guys know Don Rickles, right? Famous American comedian from the 70s, 80s, 60s. He passed away in 2015 or 17. I don't even know. I don't know. But anyway, Don Rickles, the way he was... no, not Richard Pryor. Don Rickles, you know, the way he insulted people, I just loved it. I mean, I watched a bunch of videos from the Johnny Carlson show, and I watched a few of his appearances in casinos, of course, on YouTube, and you know, appearances in talk shows. I was crying while I was laughing, so I think he's a genius. The way he insults people. Richard Pryor is good, don't get me wrong. Richard Pryor is great. Mitch Hedberg. Oh, yeah, I heard about him. Not that much, but Richard Pryor is awesome too. Hockey puck. Famous Rickles insult, yeah. And you know, they were the Rat Pack, you know, with they were doing it with Dean Martin. Not Dean Martin, come on. Sammy Davis Jr. And Frank Sinatra, you know. Dean Martin, of course, yeah. I totally forgot. So Sammy Davis Jr., Frank Sinatra, who was in there? I don't even know. Peter Lawford, maybe? I think. But anyway, I think those were the guys who were the icons, you know. At least for me, from old school comedy. And I love the way Don Rickles was insulting everyone. And I think he was the only comedian who Frank Sinatra actually let to insult. I mean, let insulted by. That's how they say it. Look at this. It's going. No stopping, NQ. Could this be the Judas swing? Is this the Judas swing? If this one closes up here, it could be a possible shift in structure. And by the way, there's going to be a bank holiday in the US on Wednesday, right? Am I correct? It's going to be, yeah, bank holiday on Wednesday. So London session is still on. But on Wednesday, there's going to be a holiday. All right, what's happening? ES. Maybe going down. All right, let's see this. What just happened here? High of this candle was 73.75. Close is 73.50. Okay, so it's not a structure shift. Not even on the mini. So I don't care about it. This is not a structure shift for me. On the 15-minute, still nothing. Not a clean structure shift on ES. Oh, sorry, that was the... Okay, so the 5-minute on ES did shift structure. So that's a valid structure shift. I'm gonna see optimal trade entry here. If this one goes down. That would be right there. One to two risk to reward. Let's see. Entry 54.95.75. 54.95.75. 54.95.75. $95.75 buy limit. All right, I put a buy limit there at 95.75. I don't think that it's gonna go down there. I might even put it to 96.25. Let's see what happens. So far, both ES and NQ is just pushing. Optimal trade entry is at golden level is at 96.25. Yeah. I'm gonna move it to 96.25. Alicia, welcome. Good to see you again. What's happening? Okay, my limit order is at 96.25. Double top at 88. Oh yeah, there is. So the thing is that I don't have a plus entry on NQ, so no entry for me there. The only thing I have as an entry is ES. Might gonna go with that. If it goes down, the limit order is still there at 96.25. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. ES holding the level. I wish Apex had a way to show us at the event of every trading day where we broke any rules. Oh yeah, that would be actually a good thing. That's a very good idea, Alicia. I mean, if we could see at the end of the day. I mean, I guess they would have to implement some kind of an AI software or something for that. But that would be very helpful. That would be really, really, really something to have. Very helpful, actually. All right. My optimal trade entry is still down there in that gap. 96.25 on ES. And waiting. Let's see if it wants to take it or not. Now it's inside the 5-minute fair value gap. So far it's there, but it's doesn't seem like it wants to take it. That would be the golden level. But it's not going for it. This is just the waiting game. Should be playing chess or something until we wait, or I don't know what to do, you know. Sorry guys, but it is what it is. Nothing is happening. I'm going to show you my limit order, which is here. Only risking $100 on this. It didn't go down for my my level. Maybe it will. Only risking $100 on this one. Actually, a little bit more, 106, $107 with commission. Let's go. Let's see what's happening. ES is still up there. No sign of retracement. Actually, I'm gonna put a an alert in case ES would take my level. So far it got close, but... And there's also a gap on the Nasdaq a little bit lower, below 943. I have deja vu feeling. So there's a glitch in the matrix. Like I was waiting for this long position and it just keep dropping down. Still didn't go down to the 25. That's interesting. Wow. My entry was missed. I was there at 96.25. It didn't take my order. It did not take my order. That's interesting. NQ is going lower a bit into that fair value gap. I just tapped in. I'm gonna show you guys. My limit order has not been taken. Look at that. It's still there. I'm not in the trade. It was super close. Oh, nice. Nice, A6. Your put on NVIDIA is starting to be profitable. Nice one. That's a good call. I was waiting for this limit entry, but it's just not happening. Repriced the gap on ES, but it doesn't want to take my entry. Think I'm going to delete my alert. NQ going lower. My entry is not taken. Okay, now it's taken. I got filled at 96.25. So I'm trying to target 509.25. Let me show you. It still keeps going down. I mean, this is my trade on ES. And, you know, I thought that we're gonna go higher on this one. Nice shift in structure. We have relative equal highs up there as well. That's what I'm aiming to go for. I just don't like this area here. doesn't seem like it could be strong enough to hold. But I do like that we have equal highs. Actually, I'm gonna put my TP down to 509 just to make sure. Where would this go? This is not a 1 to 2, but it's like a 1.8 1.9 R trade. So fairly good. But let's see if we're gonna get it or not. Jackson, hey there. Someday teach us configure ninja like your. Oh, that's a good idea. You know what? I also had some questions about that. I already had some questions about that, so I think I'm gonna do a video about NinjaTrader and Quant Hour too. So how about that? I think it's a good idea, and I'm not promising it for tonight, but maybe sometime tomorrow I can do that, and should be uploaded tomorrow evening. I can do that. It's actually like I can do it in like 10 minutes. Doesn't have to be. I don't even have to edit anything on that. I just record the whole thing. YOX, good chance to take equal highs. Yeah, we have a good chance on the ES to take out those equal highs to the left. I do like those levels up there. And the entry was at the optimal trade entry. So that's good. Also London high, yes, exactly. So the target is very good on this trade on ES. So on NQ also, if somebody was using this gap here, if you put the fib tool there, as you see, optimal trade entry was right down there. I just don't know what this setup is here. I mean, there was a structure shift. I get it. It's a bullish breaker, but it was not that clear for me. The ES entry was a little bit more cleaner. You missed the 90% of the, yeah, it's still 83%. 7 money bag, yo. It's still 83% down on the option 1 accounts. You can check it out. Silver bullet hour, yeah. Also, if you guys don't want activation fees, try out MyFundedFutures expert account. It's 20% off if you use my code. I just made a video about them recently again, because I do think that what they're doing is awesome. Also, Take Profit Trader waved goodbye to activation fees. So with the discount code, you can start a 50K account for $102 and no activation fee. The best thing in Take Profit Trader is if you reach the payout threshold, you can request money out any day. And they're going to process it on the same day and wire it on the same day. So that's their biggest marketing as of now. That if you request a payout, it's going to be processed and wired on the same day. And you're going to get it on the same day with very fast transfer. That's their thing right now. And it was always, of course. I was gonna get Buleanox, but they don't have trader weight, so yeah. Yeah, they don't have it, unfortunately. Just bought another Apex account. Should I try to pass it? J-O, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. I don't know what to say. I mean, the 1 day pass is still on, so I don't know. So far, you are killing the market, but I don't want to jinx anything. Just paid $450 for activation. 450? Sorry, 540. Come on, I can't. 540 Quant Tower better than trader weight for my taste. Yeah, I like Quant Tower too. I like Quant Tower better than trader weight, but what can I say? I can manage with trader weight too. It's not a big deal. It's actually very user friendly. So not a big deal, but I do like Quant Tower because I can manage everything together. So because order flows. Oh yeah. Does Quant Tower charge a fee per month? No, absolutely not. You can download the free version. And with the free version, you can connect to one prop firm at a time. You will have limited indicators, that's all, with the free version. So you can't put on like more than 2 indicators, I think, on the chart. I think that's the thing. And you don't have access to some extra charts with the free version, but you can pretty much do everything. You can also copy trade for free on the same account. I mean, at the same prop firm, sorry, at the same prop firm. But to be able to copy trade between multiple prop firms, you have to pay $25 monthly or 30. I don't even know how much is it right now. $25 monthly fee for the multiple connection, which is an advanced extra. Yes, hello Teacher FX. I'm in a long position on ES right now. I do have a long position. My target is 509 to go for those relative equal highs and you know, London highs as well. There was an optimal trade entry with a displacement on the 5-minute chart. The one you see right now is the 5-minute chart. So I saw the fair value gap. I was going for the OTE level, and here we are currently. So will Buleanox rhythmic data feed work with Quant Tower? Of course. That's what I'm using too. I'm connected with Buleanox currently as well. You see? Currently, I'm connected to TOPSTEP, Buleanox, Apex, and I'm connected to MyFundedFutures. Oh, right now, not with MyFundedFutures, but I can connect anytime. So yes, of course it works. You're welcome. Hello, Teacher FX. I'm not saying that this is the best trade of all times. I was just aiming for those highs. It can still go lower. I mean, look at the 15-minute. It's a little bit messed up. We could be consolidating after taking out those historical highs. So I don't know. If I check on ES, all we have is equal highs up there. We swept some lows, but we can still go lower. So I'm not all that fascinated with the price action. It can still just slip lower. And who knows what's going to happen. So this one can be a loss as well. Do you know how to connect multiple prop firms in NT8? No, I don't know that. I don't know that, unfortunately. How to connect at the same time. I think with Replicanto you can do it, but you might have to use a VPN server. The way I did it, not now, but many months ago, is that I installed a virtual computer on my Windows. So a Windows inside of Windows, and I installed another NinjaTrader on there. And so that was on a different prop firm, and that's how I was keeping them together. That's how I could trade, but it was a little bit more difficult. I don't remember. Maybe there's a way, but honestly, I don't know. I don't know if there's what is the solution. AMP Futures separate broker, yeah. I mean, AMP is just a futures brokerage firm, nothing special. You can go to their website. They have multiple platforms as well. They have MetaTrader as well, by the way. So that's a futures. Sorry, not a prop firm. There's a they are just a futures brokerage firm. That's it. That's how simple it is. They're not a prop firm, so deposit money to their account. That they are a regulated futures brokerage, and you can trade with them. Everything is basically the same as you were in a prop firm, but it's a brokerage firm. We're still waiting. We have same trade, so we should win down. All right. Oh yeah, Vajax. Not often, but hey, I really hope we will take the victory together. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. It seems like everything is slowing down currently. ES is slowing down. NQ is stuck here. I don't know. Don Totten, 55.10 target would be a measured move. Yes, yes, that's why I'm targeting the 55.09. Just one tick below. I mean, just you know, to make sure to take out those highs if it goes there. That's a big if, because there's still like almost 8 handles to go. So this can also take like for hours. What's the time right now? Almost end of the kill zone. This one can take all the way up to the PM session, guys. So look at this. Here is lunch hour, end of lunch hour around here, and there's the PM session. This one can take a few hours to reach there. But I'm comfortable holding this. And also, FYI, everybody, I do have to take a quick errand in the city. So I have to go for a drive and pick up something in the city. But I'm wondering what to do. Should I keep the stream open? It's going to take me at least around, well, or somewhere around 30 minutes to go out. So should I keep the stream open if this trade is still on? Or should I close the stream? And if I keep the stream open, I'll be just back and I'm going to stay for a while and look for some other entries. I don't know. Whatever. All right. Today's my first time trading in 2 weeks. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Don't rush it. You know, keep it easy. You know, small positions. Keep it open. All right. So maybe when VPN 2-time instances of Rhythmic and then through Replicanto is the way to get NT8 to see all of the props. It's not going to see all of the props, I think. I wish I would know, Ludafish Savage. I don't know the details. I'm sorry. I can't help you. I was trading so long ago with the Ninja Trader, and all I know is I was trading only at one brokerage at a time. Sorry, one prop firm at a time. I knew I was not looking to copy trade at then. And you don't necessarily need VPN. If you have a good computer, you can just install another Windows, a virtual machine, that is. And on the virtual machine, you can run another instance of Ninja Trader. Just wondering, we are allowed to DCA once per trade. At Apex, yes. At Apex, yes. Once you're allowed. Even if I took 10 different trades and DCA once per each trade. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So once each, you can add once for every trade. That's fine. Yeah, sorry about that, little fish. I wish I could remember or something. Maybe you have to Google it for something, but I don't think there's. Maybe Replicanto has something. Check out their website, but I think it could be an expensive option. So Replicanto can actually log in to some other accounts. I don't know, but I don't know. Up 500. Nice. The new expert account. Congratulations. J-Ho, come on, man. Nice. Oh, sorry, guys, if I was too loud. Come on. Yeah. Just save your profits. You're welcome, Alicia. You're welcome. Just save your profits. And, you know. So guys, don't forget we have a giveaway in the pinned message. Go check it out. 50K valuation account. Everyone is welcome to participate. You can earn some points too. let's see. We are just going to hover around here for a while. So like maybe do it through the Windows native hyper virtual. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's a possibility. Yeah, you can try that. I don't even know what software did I use for virtual machine. I think it was Virtual Tube or something. No. VirtualBox, Oracle. Yeah, that's what I used, VirtualBox. So this is the software I used, VirtualBox 7.0, and you can install a separate Windows on your machine. It's going to be, that's it. It's gonna take up like nearly 30 gigabytes of your hard drive. That's the thing, but you're gonna have a separate Windows. A Windows inside of a Windows. MC, hey there. What was the reverse at 640? 640? Let me check. Oh, you're still on the June contract, right? On the 5-minute there was a fair value gap if that is 640. I don't have the June contract on. Was looking at MNQ. Cool. Leave the message for new visitors somewhere on screen until you come back to the seat. Yeah, Albert. Good to see you, Albert. How you doing, by the way? Looking at MNQ. Yeah, so I'm in this trade on ES, still looking for relative equal highs. Just saying. And if the only thing is basically running as a second instance of Rhythmic, so Replicanto can't see. Maybe, but that thing I'm not sure. The reason why I was running a second instance of Ninja Trader is that I could just, you know, resize the windows of the second Windows, the virtual machine, and I started out Ninja Trader on that virtual machine, so the buy sell window I could see it on my other prop account. So I was actually entering the trade manually there, so I can't tell you still how to do it, but maybe on the website there is something about how you can copy trade with Replicanto if you logged into both Ninja Traders. I think there is something on the website about that. If you have a Rhythmic connection, by the way, I think it would be much easier for you to do it with the Quant Tower. Super easy, much easier if you would choose Quant Tower. I know not many people like Quant Tower, but for copy trading it's much easier than Ninja. I think my neighbor started to cut the grass again, which is good because this is his first time during the week. So it's Monday. I think he should start it sometime. So yeah, he started, I think. Uh, 502, 509 could be going higher. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this trade for now. See where it goes. Yeah, it was a manual entry. Yeah, better. Yeah, they are losing customers. Yeah, exactly, little fish. Me shifting to Quantar, and I'm positive I'm not. You're not the only one. I was feeling very good with NinjaTrader. The main reason I shifted to Quantower was the copy trading function, but since then, I'm liking Quantower a lot because I think it's pretty much very good. User friendly as well. You can get used to it. It's very good actually. So I like Quantower. But that was my main reason is the copy trade thing. That's why I chose Quantower in the first place after NinjaTrader. Trader-Weight is good too. Don't get me wrong. I like to trade on Trader-Weight. If Trader-Weight would have also a function for multiple prop firm connections, I would say that could be one of the best platforms. User-friendly, easy to manage. I have Trader-Weight accounts with MyFundedFuture, with Apex. I trade them separately, but I have no issue with them. Come on, take that high. Yeah, push the like button, guys. Come on, subscribe to the channel. Let's go for those highs. Come on. This would be such an awesome day if I could win this trade, because that would mean like one loss in London, the first trade, and then this would be my third win for the day. And these were perfect trades. Like, even the first one that I took the loss, it was actually a valid setup, so... Hey Marcel, yes, I'm in a long position on ES right now. My entry is 54.96.25. Looking to take out relative equal highs, which is the London high at 55.09. That's my TP at least. So yeah, but we had two very good trades today, so I'm very satisfied with them. Even if I lose this one, I'm absolutely satisfied with the trades. So just a second. Seems like we're still going. We are still going, guys. We're still going, still going. Let's hope we will go. Go for those highs. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, my chair is squeaking. This means that it should go up. Just joined. Oh, I'm sorry. I was checking something else. I was in a long on Dow, but I got out. Probably would have pushed it. I think I'm gonna sell 2 contracts here. I sold 2 just to make sure. I don't wanna, you know, I don't want it to retrace because of some profit taking, and I'm gonna put it to break even just right there. So I sold 2 contracts. The reason I did that is because, you know, sometimes right before these equal highs are gonna get taken, it usually can go sideways, and it actually it can act out weird. Just a second. Sorry, just a quickie phone call. Took the same partial, all right. So should be pushing through. Sorry guys about the phone call. So should be pushing through. It should cross the high, but we never know. Yeah, so the reason I took the partial here is because I think we can actually see some profit taking and even some pullback into the 500s, 504, 503. Not sure, but wanted to make sure. that we take some profits at this level. I can even secure some profits here. So I move my stop in case if it would drop. Come on, come on. There you go. All right, finally. I think it was a nice trade, right? It was a good trade, honestly. I wish we could have all these trades all the time. I wish. That's what I would like. Thank you, Crypto Panda. Hey, thank you, thank you. It was a beautiful trade. So this means that today I had 4 trades. The first trade was a loss and 3 winners, and risk to reward was always very good. 1.87, something like that. But it was all right. NQ is making a new high, of course. Just to clarify, NQ was also a good trade, but eventually the optimal trade entry for me came from ES. So that's why I entered there. I mean, if you guys see the balance on this account, I'm currently up to 51,226. I must say that this has been done with micros. So no minis, and I was only risking $100 or less, $80 in the morning on a trade, and I think the price action today was picture perfect, I must say. Like, the price action was on the 5-minute and higher. I'm not talking about the 1 minute because I did not check that, but I think it was great. Keem, hey there. Why do you not trade minis? It's too much risk for me. It's too much risk. Hey, Methodical Man. Nice trade from the Tom Sabo box. Yeah, everybody's celebrity is in the house. You know, we have a trader here, Methodical Man, who is... All you have to know is that he's the cousin of Michael Huddleston, aka ICT, and actually Methodical Man. He's, you know... He's making hundreds of thousands of dollars every week from trading. He's one of the OGs from Goldman Sachs. So he's managing millions of dollars. And he's still managing. Well, you know, anyway. And he owns a casino too. So he's a big shot. Just saying. That's all we know. That is confirmed. Spends the weekend at Michael Huddleston many times. They play tennis like your serve, and that's it. I make such a good trade. Today was an exceptionally good day, Keem. Today was an exceptionally good day. I think this was so far the best day for me in the past 2 weeks in trading. So it's not always like this, but just to show you, we had the beautiful trade at the open, got tagged in on the 5-minute to a sell here. 1 to 2 risk to reward, boom, exited here on NQ, sorry. in the morning, I had a loss, actually. I was counting on a continuation. I didn't even know what happened here. I have to check the stream, but I know there was one loss here. I think this was a stop loss. And I have no idea what happened after that. But I know we had 2 winners. One winner, 1 loss, 1 winner. Dude, I have to look it back. But the ES was also good. Oh yeah, we had another ES short. Sorry. Yeah, that was the other one. Sorry. So during the London session, we had another short here. Optimal trade entry. Almost took me out. So this gave me some sweat. But eventually got down. So today was an exceptionally good day in price action. Monday, and it was very good. I don't know how. We're not used to say winning trade in this stream. Yeah, exactly. So Viox can tell you people not used to see winning trades in this stream. So we're really happy and surprised. You know, at least you're honest. I like that. Yeah. What can I say? Yeah, usually everyone fades me. So right now it was alright. But by the way, returning to your previous question, Keem, it was I'm trading micros because it's less risk. Basically, that's it. I know, Crypto Panda, I know that's the case. I know you guys are honest. This was good. I like this. All right. Marco. Marco, are you joined the Discord, right? Yeah, you're the one who just joined Discord. Am I right, Marco? I think I'm right. I have so many names in my list. Marco, yeah, you are the one. You are the one. Yes. Guys, everybody, please welcome our newest member in the Discord membership, Marco Brasse. Welcome. Thank you for joining. And all I can tell, Marco, is that I'm going to, by the way, I'm going to upload, it's already done, so it's ready. I can show you actually the files here. I have a mini course for the Discord members about the trade entries and such. Let me show you. It's not completely ready, but it's getting there. Where is it? Anyway, a few videos. No, that's not it. Oh, there's so many. So many. No? I can't find it. Anyway. Oh yeah, I put it on my... Okay, it's on my portable disk. I have my videos. I'm going to upload some videos to the Discord about trade entry models. It's going to be in the education section. And Marco, welcome again to the team. We're a small Discord, not too many people, but and sometimes it's a little slow, sometimes it's a little more, but I'll try to help you as much as I can. If you have questions, just, you know, type everything out, or you can you know, send a message to me, whatever. I'm gladly, I would like to help you with anything. Maybe you're a pro already, maybe you're gonna help me. I know, I don't know, but I try my best. And I'm gonna share some more entry models on the Discord membership again. So these were good trades. I did like them. At this point, like ES just went higher, I don't even know where this one can go. Are we gonna see some more entries? I mean, both NQ is all-time high. I think ES as well. No, ES is not yet. ES is just going. So it's hard to predict what it wants to do at this point. We are in major resistance, but if it crosses, it will fly. Yes, exactly. I mean, you're talking about ES, right? So you look to the left, you see these highs. It should be crossing. The high is 55.20. It's just a few handles away. Yeah, yes. So we should be crossing a little bit higher. And yeah, it should be all right. Should be fine. Man, I wish I would have taken all these trades on the funded accounts, not just evaluation accounts. But this was a beautiful, beautiful trades. Nice winning streak there. So nice winning streak. Let's go. Let's go. Ta-da, ta-da. Anyway, Shy, hey there. Should I buy another TopStep combine or Apex combine? Still new to trading, but recently passed my Apex combine last week and want to get more accounts so I can copy trade. Tough question. Still new to trading. TopStep or Apex if you're new to trading. You know, if money is not a real issue, I would say you can go with TopStep, but yeah, I mean, why not? You can go with TopStep. It depending on your, you know, even if you go on tilt for the day, at least TopStep is going to stop you out to the daily stop level, right? So that is a thing. That's a good thing, actually. I don't know what to say. It's depending on your strategy, on your risk taking, that's how you should choose the proper prop firm. It's okay, Tom Pierre, Ivan, you're building your confidence. Yeah, that's all that matters. That's right, Crypto Panda, yeah. Let's build up confidence. No matter, but just manage the risk properly. And that's how you do it. Just manage it properly. This is how you do it. Because if you wait out for the good entry point, you don't have to actually take like 10 trades a day. 1 or 2 trades a day should be enough if you're waiting for the optimal trade entry point. That's what I'm trying to aim for as well. So By the way, for the Discord members, I'm saying that I'm going to do my summary for the past couple of trades, not just today, but some trades from last week as well. I might going to do a video, and I'm going to put it directly to the server. And I'm almost finished with a solution. A friend of mine who is actually programming, I mean, he knows much more about this stuff than I do. We might be able to send all the trades directly to the Discord server as well. Not like a Signal, but at least it's going to be journaled properly, not just on the stream. So I think that's a good thing. You're not supposed to go out, Tom. We can take care of your trade. Yeah, I'm waiting for a call actually. I have to go to the city for 30 or 40 minutes, but I'm waiting for a message of when should I go. That's why I'm checking my phone every 2 minutes, because I'm waiting for a message. If they send me the message like, all right, you can go, then I have to leave you guys. And that's why I don't know if I should close the stream or just keep it open until I get back. Actually, we made good trades, and we're approaching the New York lunch hour. So this means that what should we do? Like, what other trades can we look for, right? So that's the thing. Because I would like to trade as well. I would like to pull the trigger, but I think the move for the New York AM session is pretty much done. So, you know, Tom, why don't you put a sign that shows how many trades you have taken? Let's say, yeah, we were talking about it in the London session. So I should be putting on, for example, a sheet or a tab somewhere, something similar like trades taken on stream, like June trades on stream or whatever, and how many winner, how many loss, and average risk to reward ratio. I mean, that would maybe give people a little bit deeper understanding of how bad of a trader I am, right? Or at least how we're doing here on the stream. I think that would be good, and you guys can actually validate that. So I think that would be a good idea, Crypto Panda. Yeah. That's a good idea. So not a big one, like a small one, maybe down there next to my camera, or to the right side somewhere. I don't know. Just a small one, you know. June month or this month trades or whatever. And there will be a winner column, losses, break even, average risk to reward, maybe. I don't know, something that is easy to understand. Because if I put out, like, for example, 5% this month, that is relative or subjective, because it depends on how much I risk on a given trade. So but yeah, simple is better. A very simple sheet that would help the people to follow easier with the trades. Loss or win for the day? Yeah, something like that. Just a simple, no need to put month, weeks. Yeah, just past that expert J-Ho. Come on, congratulations there, guys. J-Ho is pushing like crazy. I must give an applause for J-Ho. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job there. Good job. I'm super glad for you. I'm super glad. That's the way to go. Just bought that one and passed it today. Didn't. That's the way to go. Didn't want to trade the personal account when we were chopping. Dude, that is awesome. And with my funded futures, great job. Great job. That is a great job. I love trading. Really, it gives me joy. We have when we have days like this, of course. That's the best. When we have days like this. That's all that matters. Push the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. And if, by the way, if you would like to support the stream, you can use any of my codes and links if you would like to trade some of these futures prop firms. Go check it out. If you want to go with MyFundedFutures, 20% off from the expert account. TOPSTEP gives you additional 20% if you're a brand new customer from the first purchase and 50% from the first reset. Apex is 71% off, $35 reset. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee as well, just as with MyFundedFutures, no activation fee, 40% off. And Bulenox is the cheapest currently, but the activation fee still applies. So that's it. That was the commercial. And we have some more in the description. Let's go, let's go. So guys, we are approaching the lunch hour, and we had some beautiful trades. It would be a shame to give it back to the market, right? It would be a very, very, very bad choice to give back these profits to the market. So I don't know what to do. I'm waiting. It would be good to have a short, maybe. But first we need to build up structure, and I'm a little bit scared to enter into a short at these highs, especially until ES is not taking out these highs right there. So not my cup of tea. And don't forget the giveaway, guys. It's in the pin message. Next Monday or Tuesday, we're going to have a giveaway. You can apply this week. You can earn some points by doing some simple tasks like visiting websites, retweet my video on Twitter, X, sorry. So increase your chances and win a 50k valuation account. That's the deal. That's the deal. All right. I decided I don't think I'm gonna wait. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my business in the city. I don't have any other entries. Honestly, guys, I mean, look at ES and Nasdaq. There is no structure, no target on Nasdaq, nothing right now. Maybe during the lunchtime or the PM session, there will be some short entries. I don't know. Take the green and run. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna cut it here because I do have some stuff to do. But hey, thank you so much for watching. All entry is risky at this point, yeah. So I would recommend not to enter at any trade, especially at lunchtime, you know. So thanks for watching. Special thanks for everybody, actually, for the good comments. And welcome our new member, Marco, to the Discord. Marco, if you're still here, later I will be, or evening or tomorrow morning, I'll be sending you some messages. Hope to talk with you and chat with you. I try to help you out as much as I can. Let me know what you need. So anyway, thank you everybody, and this was a good session. I enjoyed it very much. And take care everybody. I'll be back in the London session. Push the like, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Cheers, everybody. Be safe.